outside with why.
Hi, welcome to Outside with Why. It's a few days past summer solstice, and we were thinking for our fun outside today, teddy bear picnic.
Yep.
And when we think of teddy bear picnic, what do we think of? Why?
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes. So after careful consideration, we picked out the cupcakes that we want to make today. Okay, so I'm gonna pan out and show you what we have. Okay, starting at this side, what's our first ingredient?
Water.
Then
Eggs.
we
have pure vegetable oil.
we have,
Frosting and sprinkles.
we need to use a,
Big bowl.
and a,
A beater.
yep, a beater or mixer. Here's the good stuff. How great.
Cake.
Oh, I don't know, it just blacked out on me. Hi, we are back with Outside with Why, and it is a few days past summer solstice. So what we were thinking about,
Next, the eggs.
Oh, look at that. How many of you at home have cracked eggs to make cupcakes or cakes? This takes technique. The first couple tries, don't feel bad if you get eggshells in there.
I got one.
Try again. Practice makes perfect. And I'll tell you, I'm 40 years old and I still kind of break eggs and crack them and make a mess. And that's fine. All right, let's see. One down, two more to go. Here we have,
The mixer.
right, the mixer, the beater, and then over here, the good stuff. Doesn't this just scream teddy bear picnic? Tell us about this one.
It's some cake batter. It's funfetti cake batter. It's cake mix with little candy bites in it.
Yum, yum, yum. And then of course we're gonna need our cupcake tin and our liners. And
guess what? This makes 24 cupcakes.
woohoo!
Whoa. Egg number 3. Here we go.
Give a nice little whack. Egg bomb!
First, you put in 1 cup of water. Next, the vegetable oil. Sorry, you said that kind of wrong. Vegetable oil.
Time for egg number 2.
Yep.
Nice. There it goes. Oh, it's kind of surprising.
It's getting on the floor.
That's okay.
Oh no. I'm gonna pour it in now.
Yummy, yummy. Okay, what are you up to? In goes the cake mix. Oh, I can kind of smell it.
That smells good.
This is funfetti flavor, which we think is perfect for a teddy bear picnic with our picnic blanket and our bears outside. And the teddy bears are going to be dressed in their finest, and I'm thinking why and I should get dressed up too. It's a beautiful day outside. Hey, why?
What?
I think you did it. This looks amazing.
Yeah.
I think it's ready for the batter to be transferred into the cupcake liners. Yay! Hold on.
Hurry.
All right, what do you have there?
Cupcakes.
Oh my gosh. Wait, they're not ready to eat yet.
Nope.
I guess you have pot holders. Are they on their way into the oven?
Yep.
Okay, let's do it. Ready? 1, 2. Go nice and easy. Oh, nice and easy. Thank you. There you go. See you in a little bit.
Bye.
Ooh, something just came out of the oven. What do we have here?
Cupcakes.
Oh my gosh, these look so good. Let's get the funfetti frosting going, and then we'll head out for our picnic.
Yep.
Teddy bear picnic.
Woohoo.
Okay, it looks like we have a teddy bear picnic in the making. Oh, this is going to be so fun. How fun. Okay, and then who's over here on your left?
Morgan.
Miss Morgan, would you like a cupcake?
Yep.
Here you go. Oh, yum. Okay, and then over here, who's this?
This is Sally.
Sally, would you like a little bit more tea in your teacup? Wyatt, would you pour Sally some tea?
Yep.
Mm.
Oh no, we're out.
Do you have any more? Anywhere?
Yep.
Whoa, look at all that tea. You came prepared. What a gorgeous time outside with Y. What a gorgeous time outside with Y. And who is this fellow really getting into his tea?
This is...
And look at her outfit. I love it. I'm going to turn around so you can see. Look at the tail coming out. How great is that? You are too cute, Kylie. Would you like a cupcake? Here you go.
I thought this was Kylie.
Riley.
Yeah, Riley.
That's Riley. Oh my gosh, I'm getting everyone mixed up.
Me
Let's
too.
see. Riley, Sally, Morgan, Y, Kylie, Jumpy, and over here, this is Hop.
Uh-oh.
How are your cupcakes?
Good.
Are they so good? I love going outside with Y. We're always up to new great things. And I just have to say, your cupcakes turned out amazing.
Yep. They are good. Bye, and thanks for watching Outside with Y.
Bye.